Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are alright. Allah bless you and your family. So today we are going to start our lesson number 47. It's about unit number 1 to 4's review. Okay, review of unit number 1 to 4. Let's focus on the exercise. Look at, choose the correct option. He advised the most equitable plan for the setting of the black stone. The underlined word means equitable का मतलब क्या है? Privileged, reasonable, favorite. क्या हो सकता जी? Yes, B, reasonable. He deceived every case brought to him by friend or foe with justice without fear or favor. The underlined word means partner, company, a companion or enemy. इन्हीं foe का क्या मतलब? Friend or foe? Enemy? Yes, definitely enemy. The ancestors killed a member of our family. The underlined word means ancestors का क्या मतलब है? Relatives, forefathers, successors. Relatives भी नहीं, successors भी नहीं, forefathers. So I already told you the technique that whenever you got this MCQ type question, so always try your level best to cancel first the irrelevant answers, then find out the correct answer. Prior to the first day of the new year, it is customary for families to thoroughly clean their houses. The underlined word means preceding, following, subsequent. Subsequent is not suitable. Prior, following is not suitable. Definitely is this. Another popular custom is to hang up signs and posters on doors and windows with the Chinese word "fu" written on them. The underlined word means law, practice, rule. Law is not correct. Rule is also not correct. So the correct is B. First aid knowledge ranges from taking care of cuts, dealing with an unconscious victim. The word victim means helper, suppressor or sufferer. Is definitely first, second is cancel, third one is correct. The synonym of persevere is persist, give up, surrender. Surrender is not correct. Give up is also not correct. The synonym of reward is fine, prize, or penalty. Definitely penalty is not reward, fine is not reward. Reward is a dash. The antonym of mighty is mighty का बिल्कुल opposite, बिल्कुल उलट, यानी मुत्तज़ाद. Antonym weak, grand, strong. Strong and grand both are synonyms. Weak is antonym. The antonym of fail is unsuccessful, succeed, flourish. Definitely it's not flourish, it's not unsuccessful. The accident was due to the restlessness. The underlined word is a collective noun, concrete or abstract. It's not collective, it's not concrete, it's abstract, okay? Look, our job is to keep the audience happy. Audience, which kind of noun is it? Collective noun, concrete, yeah, abstract, definitely it's collective. We have to take the bus dash tomorrow early. Which one is suitable? Early, earlier, earliest. We have to take the bus dash tomorrow morning, early tomorrow morning. Clear? We dash our bottle. So we could use it again. Could use it again. Clean, cleaning, clean, cleaned. It's could की वजह से it's cleaned. Ali was impressed that sermon grade. With sermon grade by from. Where is not correct? From is also not correct. Last summer we dashed many places. Visited, had visited, have visited. Visited. Last summer है तो इसकी वजह से visited की तरफ चले गए. All students dash for prizes. Compete, या competing, compete. Didn't you see the sign? You dash drive at more than 30 miles an hour. Must not, should not, may not. Which one is suitable? Yes, it's B. You dash find Lubna in the garden, but I doubt it. Can, must, might. You can find Lubna in that garden, but I doubt it. You must find Lubna in the garden, but I doubt it. You might find Lubna in the garden. हो सकता है तुम्हें मिल जाए. So might is correct. Choose the correct spelling. Intercede, intercede, intercede. क्या हो सकता है? Intercede, intercede, intercede. First one is intercede. S के साथ is not correct. Intercede is also not correct. This one is correct. Okay. Now look at these questions. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the perfect model example for all mankind. Explain. Yes, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the perfect model and example for all mankind. Why? Because he set many rules for all department. He set noble rules for whole humanity. तो बहुत से आंसर्स के बनाए जा सकते हैं, अपनी तरफ से बनाइएगा. He set the rules for the society, for whole mankind. So write a note on Chinese New Year celebration. Chinese New Year celebration से अगर नोट लिखना हो तो क्या करेंगे? जितनी भी चाइनीज न्यू ईयर के हवाले से हमने बातें सीखी थी, वो क्या क्या करते हैं, अपने घर की सफाइयाँ करते हैं, डेकोरेशन लगाते हैं, क्लियर, और डिशेस बनाते हैं. 9 to 8 डिशेस होती हैं, वो उनकी किस चीज़ की इलामत होती है, तो वो 3-4 सेंटेंसेस के अंदर लिखे जा सकते हैं. While trying again important in life, दोबारा कोशिश करना हमारी ज़िंदगी में अहम क्यों है? Because if we want to get success, so effort, struggle, try is more important than other things. So अपनी तरफ से आंसर बनाएं और इसका जवाब दें. और आपकी मेहनत जो होती है आपको आपकी मंजिल तक लेके जाती है, मेहनत आपको कामयाबी दिलवाती है. राइट द फर्स्ट स्टेप प्रोसेस फॉर कट्स एंड स्क्रैप्स. अगर आपको कोई छोटे छोटे घाव लग जाते हैं, खराशें आती हैं, तो क्या आप फर्स्ट एड दोगे घर में? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपके छोटे भाई को चोट लग गई है, कुछ भी हो गया, तो क्या करेंगे? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्लीन द वूंड, ओके, देन ड्राई इट विथ क्लीन टॉवल और विथ क्लीन क्लॉथ, then put an ointment on it, or simply you must apply plaster bandages, okay, sticky bandages आप apply कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is a simply procedure for cuts and scrapes. Okay, look at this, paraphrase the following stanza. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward, try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. In this poet, the poet says that if your task is hard, don't worry, must try it again and again. One day you will make it easy for you. Okay, time will bring you your reward. Okay, time definitely will give you reward. If you do not stop this process of trying again, time will give you the success, or you will time will lead you towards your success. All that other folk can do, why with patience shouldn't you? If other people can do this effort, so why don't with patience you can do also? Okay, so you should try your level best to do, struggle again and again, try again and again. One day you will get your success. Only keep this rule in view, try again. Let's feed this rule in your mind that if you try again and again, one day you will get your success, you will get your goal. Doesn't matter if the task is hard, doesn't matter, you can make task easy with your effort. Okay, so try your level best to do it again and again to make you successful person in the world. Wish you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.